Y'all, third time is the charm, okay? We're going to make it work. So we're solving for the squared term here. So we took the square root of both sides. Everybody should be good with this. I'm sorry that it cut off again. You can take the square root of a negative. So remember, anytime we're multiplying two numbers by themselves, like 2 times 2, that's a positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is also positive 4. So we can't have a negative. So when you have the square root of a negative, remember that means it's an imaginary number, okay? So this is going to be imaginary square root of 70 over, now the 9 is positive. So the square root of 9, you guys know, is just 3. And remember, anytime we take a square root, it should say plus or minus, right? Okay. On the right-hand side, the square root and the squared will cancel. So we're just left with x plus 1. And now if you want to get x by itself, I'm just going to subtract 1 to the other side. So that'll give me negative 1 plus or minus I square root of 70 divided by 3 equals x. And then remember, if we break that apart, because it should be two different x-intercepts, then I've got negative 1 plus imaginary square root of 70 divided by 3. And I've got negative 1 minus imaginary square root of 70 divided by 3. So these would be my two x-intercepts. Okay? Hopefully you feel better with completing the square now. You do have 3 homework problems to try on your own. On your own means like you try it. You can text a friend. Please text me, video chat me during office hours. We can meet like this and I can do it on a whiteboard for you. But just make sure you're really working hard to understand this, because this is a very important skill for Math 3 and Pre-Cal. Okay? Bye y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.